Hey there! Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try to be good, respectful, and mind your own business, there are still people who just don't like you? You're a good person, right? You're just trying to live your life. But why does this wave of negativity keep hitting you? And the worst part? You have no idea why. Well, today I'm about to reveal a truth that might be a little uncomfortable, but also very freeing. We're going to talk about 7 reasons why people might hate you. And here's the catch. None of these reasons have anything to do with who you really are. Plus, a little Stoic wisdom can help you see it all in a brand new light. Stay tuned, because I'm going to share a life-changing perspective you need to hear. Number 1, you're a mirror to the work they're avoiding. Picture this. You've worked hard to grow, heal, and better yourself. Now you're a mirror for others. But here's the problem. Not everyone wants to look in that mirror. When you evolve, become disciplined, and take responsibility for yourself, you unknowingly force others to face their own lack of effort. You're not doing anything wrong. You're not demanding they change, but your growth makes them uncomfortable. And sometimes that discomfort turns into jealousy. Remember, this isn't your problem. It's theirs. It's about their lack of effort, not your success. Number 2, you refuse the role they've assigned to you. Ever noticed how some people treat you better when you're smaller, quieter, or easier to control? But the moment you start to grow, heal, and step into your own power, you break the balance they had set up for you. They don't hate you now. They just miss the old version of you, the version they could control and assign a role to. But here's the truth. Your growth is non-negotiable. It's for your benefit, not theirs. Number 3, your truth exposes their act. This might sting a little. Your honesty is the spotlight that exposes the masks others are wearing. You live authentically. You don't change yourself to please anyone. For people who are used to acting in every situation, your truth is like a test they can't pass. And even though you're not judging them, your authenticity forces them to confront their own fakeness. They don't hate you because you're real. They hate that your realness forces them to face their own lies. Number 4, your boundaries are a barrier to their access. When you start saying no, stop apologizing all the time, and prioritize your peace, some people just can't handle it. You've put up a wall and they can't get through. But remember, boundaries aren't walls. They're doors to healthier relationships. When you set boundaries, you're showing self-respect, not arrogance. And if someone can't respect that, maybe they don't deserve to be in your inner circle. Number 5, your clarity exposes their confusion. If you're someone who's clear about your goals and direction in life, that might make others feel insecure. People who lack direction will often feel like your clarity is a silent judgment of their indecision. They don't hate you for having clear goals. They hate that your clarity makes them feel lost and uncertain. But your clarity isn't for them. It's your roadmap, not theirs. Number 6, your emotional control is their fear. How do you stay calm when everything around you is falling apart? Your emotional control might be a source of strength for you, but for others, it's a reminder of their own emotional chaos. They don't hate you because you're calm. They hate that your calmness highlights their inner turmoil. Stoicism teaches us that emotional control isn't about suppressing feelings, but about responding to challenges with composure. And that strength can make others feel weak in comparison. Number 7. You don't need their approval. This might be the hardest pill to swallow. You don't need their approval. You're doing what's best for you, not to please anyone else. And unfortunately, some people just can't handle that. When you stop seeking validation from others and start finding your self-worth internally, that makes others uncomfortable. They don't hate you because you're confident. They hate that you don't need them. Your independence makes them face their own dependence on external validation, and that's something they're not ready to confront. Here's the most important thing you need to remember. Their hate is not your burden. When people resent you for growing, being clear, or finding peace within yourself, that's not your issue. It's their issue. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we can't. You can't control how others react, but you can control how you respond. Stand firm in who you are, and don't let anyone make you doubt your worth. If you can relate to these reasons, know this: you are not alone. Keep rising, keep growing, and let their negativity be a reminder of your greatness. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to live with strength and peace. Thank you for watching, and remember, the world responds to your power, but that doesn't mean it's your fault. Be strong, be real, and continue to embrace your power. I'll see you in the next video.